Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now today's video is on topic that difference between rent paid off factory and rent paid off office by cash or by check. Okay friends, so many of my students think that rent paid will come under indirect expense, but it is not so. If you are paying a rent of your factory, then it is your direct expense. Okay, it should get reflected under your trading account. But if you are paying rent of your office, administrative office, sales office, marketing office, then that rent you should always group under indirect expense. It is a profit and loss item. Okay, now let's see that how we will be making the entry. First of all, go to accounting voucher. Okay, select payment voucher. F5 is the key. Okay, suppose you're paying rent, okay, by bank. Select the bank. Let's assume that you're paying at the end of the month, that is 30th April. Then create the ledger as factory rent paid account. Group it under direct expense. Remember, whenever the word comes as factory, in my coming videos I will also explain another expenses related to factories like electricity expense, then property tax, whatever, how you have to make that entry. Okay, now right now just remember that factory rent paid account will be grouped under direct expense and it is a trading and loss trading account item. Okay, so you're paying a rent of 25,000. Give the narration as being factory rent paid for the month of April. Okay, now another transaction that again you're paying a rent by bank, but that rent is for your office. Create the ledger as office rent paid account. Okay, group it under indirect expense. Okay, suppose you are paying 20,000, being office rent paid for the month of April. Okay, now let's go to a profit and loss account. Okay, there you can see that under direct expense, or also you can call it as trading account, you can see that factory rent is being reflected and the rent which you have paid for your office, it is reflected under indirect expense, means under profit and loss account. Okay, so gross profit is nothing but a trading account's gross profit or loss, and net loss is nothing but your profit and loss accounts net profit or net loss. Okay, so this is your trading account under which you all the direct expenses and direct income comes, and this is your profit and loss account under which all indirect expenses and indirect incomes gets reflected. Okay friends, I hope this concept must be clear regarding what is the difference between rent paid of factory and rent paid of office. Okay friends, do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos, and if you are having any query, do comment me. Thank you, keep supporting.